So hi my dear NEET UG aspirants, this is Manas Khanduja. So students, in the given session, we will talk about the best government medical college of Karnataka, its expected closing rank of all categories, okay, of the state. That means 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, SC, ST, General Merit and 1G. Okay, one category is also there. So we will talk about all the cutoffs of this medical college. And as I have discussed in my previous session that Karnataka students have performed better than 2024 in the NEET 2025. Not comparing the marks definitely would be lower, but in terms of all India ranking, their ranking have improved. Like for example, last year 191 state rank was at 4203. Okay, but this year 191 state rank is at 277 all India rank. That means top 3000 candidates all over India, 200 are from Karnataka, approx 200 candidates out of that 3000 all India candidates, top 3000, 200 are from Karnataka. So this would affect the borderline students because the last college that you get at the given rank, its cutoff would decrease. You can check my previous session whose video might be coming on this side of the session. Okay, what would be the last government seat, last rank for the government cutoff? Okay, like if you are at a border rank of 69,000, 74,000, and you have general merit, can you get a government seat or semi-government seat? That I have discussed in that session, for which link might be coming on this side. Okay, so Bangalore Medical College, 1955 established, has 250 MBBS seats, out of which 85% we get through Karnataka State Counseling. Okay, so these are cutoffs for Karnataka domicile candidates. 4203 was last year, but this year you would see it would be around 2400 and 3400. Now you might be saying, sir, if new government medical colleges come and there are an addition of new seats, will these cutoffs would go in negative direction? Won't they increase if new seats are added? So like this is the best college. How the bottom colleges would affect this Bangalore Medical College's cutoff? Even if you increase 200 seats, 800 seats, the topper would still choose Bangalore Medical College. Okay, so the last colleges won't affect Bangalore Medical College's cutoff. The only criteria is that your most of the topper students of Bangalore or sorry Karnataka choose AIMS or JIPMER or top all India government medical colleges. Then only this college cutoffs would decrease. Else you would see that from last year, this year cutoffs would be higher. Okay, so 2400 to 3400. Then 2A category 11,859. Last year it was at 487 state rank, and this year 487 state rank is equivalent to 8,418 rank. You can see how much difference is there. So you have performed better. Okay, even if your marks would be lesser, definitely it would be lesser, but relatively you have performed much better. Okay, so 8,418. Then 2B category 9,415. This year 6,208. 386 what the merit list. Okay, state rank. Then 10,325, 420 state rank. Okay, and this year 420 state rank is at 6,911. So the expected range is 6500 to 7500. I am keeping a range. Okay, just to be more accurate, I am keeping a range, but 6911 is the exact safe rank. Okay, if you are this candidate, then you are at the borderline. There is 50% chance you can get it, and there is 50% chance that you cannot get it. You are at the borderline. Okay, 6911. That is the safe rank, I would say. Okay, like if you know the chemistry term, it is the point where the KMNO4 turns pink. Okay, indicating point. So talking about 3B category, so among the OBC category, 3B has the highest cutoff. You can see 6,334. Its state rank last year was 275, and this year 275 occurs at 4,042. So if you are 3B category, you want Bangalore Medical College, your rank needs to be between 3600 to 4600. Okay, for a safer side. You are above 4042, you are 4200, there are still chances, but you are if beyond, if you have lesser than 4042 now, your probability is more than 60-70%. Okay, see, state ranks are very much helpful when accuracy is required to get an idea. All India rank won't give you an idea now. You might be 50,000, you have a all India rank of 50,000, but that does not give the exact position you have in your state. Okay, your state candidates are your competition. After NEET UG exam, the competition is from Karnataka domicile candidates. Okay, there might be any students of Tamil Nadu that have scored much higher than from you, but they are not for your competition for the counseling. because these 85% seats are only for Karnataka domicile candidates or the some categories of Gadinadu or like there are further clauses, but most of the candidates have Karnataka domicile. So your competition is from Karnataka domicile candidates. So your state rank would be highly helpful to get a accurate expected closing. Okay, so 1G category has the lowest cutoffs in terms of except SC ST. 1G has the lowest cutoff. So if you have a 1 category, last year it was 13,570, which was at 562 state rank. This year 562 state rank is 10,217. Approx 9800 to 10,800. Now SC and ST I have kept a broader range. Okay, SC ST there are chances because now it needs, because SC ST reservation quota are different in central and different in state, so that is why I kept a larger range for them, because SC ST candidates could also get AIMS at this rank now. So maybe they can choose any AIMS college. Okay, that is also the case here. So that is why I have kept a higher range compared to other categories. SC 38,461 last year, 1,708 state rank, 30,957 is this state rank equivalent this year, and you have a safer range 29,000 to 33,000. ST 49,907 was the closing rank, which occurred at 2315 state rank, which is equivalent to 41,554 this year. So if your rank is 39,000 to 43,000, in between that, you are safe for Bangalore Medical College, which is obviously the best government medical college. Even though you won't see, if you check NRF ranking now, there are mostly deemed medical colleges in the top. DY Patil is there, KMC Manipal, KMC Mangalore, Hamdard. So many deemed medical colleges are there in NRF ranking. What could be the factor? You might know a capitalistic mindset. So NRF ranking could not only be the indicator, okay, that you see that in top 50 or government medical college is not there, so it won't be better than MS Ramaiah. MS Ramaiah is in NRF ranking, Bangalore Medical College is not there, so it won't be better. So that is not the case. Okay, so private medical colleges or deemed medical colleges you would highly see in NRF top 50 ranking. Maybe some different reason is there. Okay, so if you want to book a session with me, this was just the best government medical college. If you are at a borderline and you want to discuss what college can we get government seat or semi-government seat at this rank? And if not semi-government seat, what are the chances for 12 lakh fees MBBS in Kempegowda and Vadai? Or St. John's if we have a rank around 14,000, 15,000. If we are Roman Catholic of Karnataka, what are the possibilities? And we have a rank above 4 lakh. What are the deemed medical colleges options? So you can book a paid session via WhatsApp, text me, book a slot, and we can have a discussion for 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, this number is not for doubts. Do not need to call on this number. You can just text me and I would respond to that. Okay. So this was Manas Khanduja. If this video gives you an appropriate idea what could be the Bangalore Medical College's cutoff, do give a like, do subscribe to the given channel. KEA counseling would most probably start in the last week of July, 25 to 31st July. Okay, and I would give all the updates on my Telegram channel, which is Manas Khanduja 1430. Further, you can join my Instagram for shorter version of the videos, mkhanduja 1430. All the best for your Karnataka State Counseling. This was Manas Khanduja.